was a guy named Boomer. He liked to wash cars. He'd wash them all around, and he'd play guitars. But there was one day when he got bored of washing. He had to do something. He had to do something crazy. What's he gonna do? I don't know. What's he gonna do? You tell me, I tell you. I'm waiting. I don't know. He had an idea to open up a car wash, and he was gonna do it tomorrow. But he had no money in his pocket, so he had to find some around. So he looked in the couch cushions, and he looked under his bed. And he looked in the kitchen, and he looked in the dining room, and he looked in the backyard, and he got 18 cents. Only 18 cents. I can't open a car wash when I only got 18 cents. How's a guy like Boomer supposed to do it when I only got 18 cents? I can't even afford my rent. I'm gonna lose my house if I don't do something about this. In retrospect, when I was washing these cars, I should have charged people, but I didn't. Everything comes around in circles, and I'm just saying words now. What am I gonna do? Oh, what am I gonna do? I have an idea. I got an idea. I decided to start a live stream, washing cars for free. I put it on the internet so everyone can see how good I am at washing cars. You know, like Jeeps and vans, and the occasional Toyota. So here I go now. I'm gonna wash. It's Boomer's Car Wash on a live stream. It's Boomer's Car Wash on a live stream. So I hit the red button and I went live. I hope people would tune in to watch me jive and wash all these cars. I was hoping for donations to have people give me money so I can open our car wash in real life. But I don't know if it's gonna happen. But here we go. I got one viewer. There's one viewer watching, and it feels really good. I said, hey viewer, my name is Boomer. I want to start a car wash, but I need money. Come on, give me the money. Please give me the money. I promise it's going to something good. Look how good I can wash. I can wash just like this. And then I realized that I made a mistake because I don't have soap. How am I supposed to wash cars without soap? Boomer, a Boomer's Car Wash is not going to plan. It's not going to plan. What am I going to do when I got no money to start a car wash? Next thing I know, I see a second viewer. I think he's gonna come give me some money. I said, hello, second viewer. Look at me wash, and the wash intensifies. Look how good I can wash this car. I can do it all day for free. Crap! I didn't mean to say for free, 'cause I need money. I can't do it for free. I gotta pay my rent. I got kids to feed. I got a wife to feed. I got a family to feed. And I only have 18 cents. Boomer's Car Wash is not going to plan. Boomer's Car Wash wash is not going to plan. No, it's not going to plan. Thank you, everybody. Trust me, I've been there.